Identify the pair of co-prime numbers. First of all, you should know what is co-prime number. Co-prime number means only one as a common factor between the two numbers. Okay, that is co-prime. Co-prime. Let's take an example. 18 and 35 number I have taken. Now we have to see whether these two numbers are co-prime or not. So how to solve? We can write the factors of 18. 18 factors, you know that what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. And write down the factors of 35. 35 factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. You have to solve because you know 1 into 18. After that into 9s are 3 6s are okay. Then 18 because 1 2 3 6 9 18 are the factors. Okay, after that we have to see whether the number are co-prime or not. So we have to see which one factors are common here. So you can see 1 is common and there is no other factor which is common. So whenever 1 comes common, then we can say, we will write yes, 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. So it's very easy. Let's take one more example. Second example, 21, 40. Okay, so we will write the factors of 21. This is the common method. 21, you have to write down the factors of 21. So 21 factors are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now we have to write down the factors of 40. So 40 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now we will see whether these numbers are co-prime or not. Let's check these numbers are co-prime or not. Now you will see again 1 is the common factor, no other factor is common. So again we can say that yes, 21 and 40 are co-prime numbers. Let's take one more example. Third example, we can take 12 and 30. Okay, so we have to write down the factors of 12. The factors of 12, you know that in one table it is coming 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. Same way we have to find out the factors of 30. So 30 factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we have to see which factor is common. So 1 is common in this, 2 is also common, 3 is also common, 6 is also common. So it shows that these two numbers are not co-prime number because many factors are common in this. So we will write no. 12 and 30 are not co-prime numbers. Now here we will discuss HCF. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. You know what is factor? In previous video I have sent highest common factor. Let's take an example. With the help of the example you will understand. Example, I am taking 24 and 40. Means we have to find out the common factors and after that HCF. How? Let's start solution. Now first of all we have to write down all the factors of 24. We know that 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 into 24 in one table it is coming. After that we will see the second one is coming to us 2 into 12. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Then 3 table 3 8s are. Then 4 table 4 into 6. It means these are the factors of 24. So we will write here factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. It is easy to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that sequence you can follow. 6, 5 is not, then 6, 7 is not the factor of 24, 8, 12, 24. So we have written 24 factor. Now we have to find out 40 factor. So you know, simple, you can write directly also. This just a rough work I am doing for you, that 1 into 40. Okay. Second factor 40, 2 into 20. 2 20s are 40. Then 4, 4 10s are. Then 5 8s are. Means you can take the table 1, 2, 3, 4 and see whether 40 is coming in that or not. Okay, so these are the factors. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. You can follow the sequence 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. These factors we have written. After that we will find out the common factor. Common factors between these two numbers. So what are the common factors here? Let's see. 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor, after that 8 is the common factor. So these are the common factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are the common factor. Okay. Now up to here you know how to find out the common factor. Now we have to find out the HCF of this. HCF means highest common factor. Now out of these, which one is the highest number? That is 8. So 8 is your answer. This is the way to find out HCF. Okay. Let's take one more example. The example I'm taking 15 and 35. We can find it fast. The way you know, if you know direct factors, 1 is the factor, after that 3, after that 5 and 15. Okay, you can solve inside like this 1 into 15. Okay, 2 table it is not coming, 3 into 5. Okay, in 5 table it is coming, and then 15 ones are 15. So 1, 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors. Okay. Now 35 factors. 35 factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Okay. Now we have to see which factor is common. First factor is common, 1 is common and 5 is common. So we will write here common factors is equal to 1 and 5. Now you know how to write highest common factor means HCF is equal to 5. The highest number is the answer. Next topic, LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Multiple. Lowest common multiple. LCM. Okay. Now it's very important. Some properties of LCM are there. The first property of LCM are there. First property is the LCM of two coprime number is their product. Okay, that I will explain. Number 2, if if one number is the multiple of the other, then their LCM is the greater number. This is the second property, means if one number is the multiple of the other, then their LCM is the greater number. Then out of those two numbers, greater the answer. Now the third property, LCM of two or more numbers cannot be less than any one of them. Very important point. LCM of two or more numbers cannot be less than any one of the number. Means what numbers are given, from that what is the answer coming, that is never less than of these two numbers, which numbers are given. Let's take an example. With the example you will understand these all properties. Let's take first example. This LCM we called it as a division method. Okay, simple method we will use to find out the LCM 6 and 10. So this is the division method. We will write here 6, 10. Now very important step is this, that both number if divisible by one number, then we can proceed. Otherwise you can use the first property, the LCM of the two co-prime number is their product. Okay, now see here, 2 3s are 2 5s are. So now we can't proceed this we will not write 3 ones are and 5, then 5 ones are this. You have to stop here because 3 and 5 are the co-prime numbers. Okay, so 3 comes in 3 table, 5 comes in 5 table. So we can't solve. Now what we have to do in LCM, you have to follow always L method. L method means you have to start multiplying from here until here you have to move. Means we will write therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 10 and 10 threes are 30. So 30 is your answer. 2 threes are 6 and 6 fives are 30. That way, which way you find easy, you multiply. Okay, let's take one more example. Then we are taking second example as number 5 and 8. Now if we will see this 5 and 8, 5 comes in 5 table, 8 comes in 8 table. Okay, so we will not proceed, we directly write this answer that therefore first property of LCM, so 5 into 8, so 5 8s are 40, 40 is the answer. Okay, so this way we have to solve the LCM. Let's take one more example if you want to. Third example, if we are taking, then I am writing here 4, 10 and 15. Now I have taken 3 numbers. Now we have to find out this with the division method, 4, 10 and 15. Now when two numbers, I told you when two numbers are there, if both numbers are divisible by the same, then you have to proceed. Otherwise you have to stop here. Both numbers are not coming in the same table, so directly we have done the multiplication and we have written the LCM. Okay, now the next, here 3 numbers we have taken. Out of 3, at least 2 should be divisible by the same number. Okay, so 2 2s are 2 5s are and 15 as it is you can write. Now in next step we will not take the table of 2 because only one number is divisible and here two numbers are not divisible by 2. So 5 and 5 is divisible by 15 is divisible by 5. So 2 you have to write as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are. Now we will see 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, they are prime numbers only. Okay, so after that you have to follow the L method, means you have to multiply now. Therefore LCM is equal to into 5 into 2 into 3. 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. So now multiply, 2 5s are 10, 20 into 3. You can write 2 steps also or directly you can multiply and write your answer.